Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're at the Orange County Auto Show in Anaheim, California. We're right across the street from Disneyland, checking out the coolest cars, and we're here with this beautiful 2017 911 Carrera. Now, we were filming a video on this earlier because I wanted to show you that some kid actually spilled ice cream on the side of this car. Now, this is an international auto show. Kids, family members are walking around, and some little tiny kid just spilled some ice cream on the side of the car. Now, we cleaned the whole side of the car ice cream off, but the kid actually got too close. He was really short, really young, and he got ice cream on the black wheel. And now the wheel has these like streaks and stains on it. If you guys want to come in close, look at this stuff right here. And then look at down here. And then you see these little drip marks. It's kind of hard to see because it's a black wheel, but that's why we're here today. I don't want to scratch this beautiful black wheel on this Porsche. So we're going to use our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. And I'm going to show you how I clean this. Now, I'm not going to spray this on the wheel because this is a clean wheel. We're just trying to remove the light fingerprints and the streaks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my waterless cleaner, I'm going to spray a little bit on the microfiber, and then I'm going to wipe each spoke clean. Now, I like doing it this way because I'm not going to get any overspray, and this car is already very, very clean. So I'm just going to give it a quick wipe with the waterless wash, and that's going to really enhance the whole look of the wheel. There we go. Now, we're at an international auto show. People touch cars, people get too close to cars. But if you want to get your car clean, you want to keep it looking good, you don't have to use water. You can use our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine and clean the car on the go. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because if you look at the floor, we're on carpet, white carpet. So if I were using the other guy's stuff, it'd be dripping on the ground. But Masterson's Car Care products, they never drip because we use advanced anti-drip technology. Now look at that. I cleaned off all of the fingerprints on that wheel. Wow, that's good. Check that out. That's real good. I'm surprised with the results. This wheel did not have that shine, and this is a gloss black wheel. So if you don't clean it properly, if you clean it improperly, you don't take your time or use a quality product, you're gonna create swirls and scratches on the black wheel. So we don't wanna do that, we wanna prevent that. So I use the microfiber towel. This is our fluffy finish edgeless towel. You can pick it up on our website, mastersonswax.com, to clean it, and look at that. Now that really does look amazing. No swirls, no scratches, no streaks, and also no ice cream spills from the kids spilling ice cream on the car. Now the Porsche looks great. Everybody's gonna have a great time checking out this amazing, beautiful car. I love Porsches, they're so cool. The engine sounds great, it looks cool, that classic body lines, even though they've looked the same forever, that's what gives it the characteristic. And I love these original like replica wheels from the classic 911. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. If you want to pick up the amazing Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine, go over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, I'm Greg Masterson. Thanks a lot for viewing, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.